Okay, so I'm doing an unboxing video. This is a Seagate expansion 2 terabyte hard drive I ordered from Amazon. First, we unbox. I hope this is exciting for you as it is for me because, man, hard drives. Ooh, look. Add on storage for your PC. Because, hard drive comes with some really great plastic. We'll use that later. And let's see. It has a 1-year limited warranty. And fully recyclable packaged. Nice. Okay, we've opened it up and there's packing material to keep a hard drive safe. And okay, we've got this and more packing material. And okay, here it is. Here's the hard drive. Oh, these are going to be cables or something. Doing this shit one-handed is not that complicated. Oh, look, cables. There's a power cable and a this is going to be a USB cable. And the good thing is I've got more plastic, so that's nice. Yep, there we go. There's that more plastic. I'm sure I'll get a lot of use out of that later. And the power cable looks like it's just going to go right into here. Yeah, the plastic does not taste as good as you would think, but I'm not going to be cooking it later. I'll be crafting something majestic. And the USB cable is going to plug right into here. And there you go. It's beautiful. Can't wait to copy porn. Not porn. Something other than porn. I never said porn. Oh God, what have I done?